Okay, hi everyone. This is my 1993 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Currently has 175,000 miles on it. I just recently heard what I thought it was a rod knock noise or clacking noise or wrist piston damage. It sounded like it was a double knock, so I figured since I wasn't losing any power, anything like that at all, so I figured I would remove my serpentine belt and do the checking from there. So let me get closer here. This one has a 5.2 liter V8. As you can see, the serpentine belt has been removed. That's the belt. Don't mind my doggy's pillow there, but I checked the tensioner. Looked okay. I greased it just a little bit so that sometimes it creates belt squeaking noise, so it was a good time to unbolt this thing and sprayed some liquid wrench on it. My alternator pulley's good, so you can see I just spun it and no noise there. This is my compressor. It's good, and that's my power steering pulley. And now this is where the culprit is at, what I thought it was a knocking noise. It sounds really bad. This is my idler pulley. So you can see it's got play on it. So this is what I've been hearing. That sounds like a knocking noise. So all I have to do is pull this out, put a new one in, and that should be good enough. Now, I've read a lot of articles and a lot of misdiagnosis in the Jeep forum, so before you do anything, you should go ahead and remove your belts for those people who are having rod knock noise type or clacking or whatever. Just take your belt off, and this is the first thing that goes really bad, so you may want to check on that first before you do anything stupid. Alright, ciao ciao.